Are you behind in payments? We can take over your mortgage and stop foreclosure. We buy houses fast in any condition, whether it needs a major remodel or just a light touch-up.
I recently got a great job offer, but it was out of state, and so I was stuck with a house that needed a new roof and a few other repairs. The problem was that I didn't have time to list it on the market, or did I have any money for any repairs that were needed. I needed to sell it fast. They gave me a fair cash offer, and they didn't care about the repairs, and they made the whole process so simple. They gave me an offer that even allowed me to stay in the house until I was able to find a new apartment.
Not only did I sell my house in 7 days, I did it with no repairs, no real estate agents, no open houses, and no bullshit.
No fees, no commissions. More money in your pocket. Just click the link below, answer a few questions, and get your offer today.